Assalamu alaikum grade 8. This is your biology lecture. In the previous lecture we have discussed about the levels of organization and then different types of cellular organization that were unicellular, colonial type and multicellular organization. Today we will study two examples of multicellular type of organization, one of plant and other of animal. We will take the example of mustard plant in case of plants, and we will take the example of frog in case of animals. So first we will see what is the scientific name of the mustard plant. Mustard plant, its scientific name is Brassica campestris. You need to make headings. First you will write scientific name, and then you will write scientific name of the mustard plant is Brassica campestris. It is sown in winter and it produces seeds at the end of the winter. So you can write here the life cycle. Then the plant body is used as vegetable, so as source of food or uses. The third heading is uses. The plant body is used as vegetable and its seeds are used for extracting oil. The organ of the body can be divided into two groups on the basis of their functions. So you can write the heading here, the parts of the body. One is the vegetative portion and the second is the sexual part. So the vegetative parts are root, stem, branches and leaves are the vegetative parts, organs which did not take part in the sexual reproduction of the plant. Flowers are, these are the reproductive parts. So first you will write the scientific name, second life cycle, third you will write the plant uses, fourth you will write the parts of the body, and then you will also write the vegetative part and reproductive part. And the vegetative parts are root, stems and branches, whereas the reproductive parts are flowers. The reproductive parts of the plant because they take part in sexual reproduction and produce fruits and seed. You will also draw the diagram of the Brassica campestris in your you can draw the diagram if you try to do, but it's not necessary. So the next one is in the animal cell, in case of animals, multicellular type of organization. We will take the example of frog. So the first we'll write the scientific name. The scientific name of the frog is Rena tigrina. Shows as the multicellular organization. The body is made up of organ system, and each organ system, parts of body you can write here, consist of related organs. All the organisms are made of specific tissue. All the organs are made up of specific tissues: epithelial, glandular, muscular and nervous tissue. Some organs and organ system of the frog have been described in the particular activity given into the next. What are the organs and organ systems? So you can see the picture of the organs and organ system of frog. It is the arterial system, and the blue one is the venous system, and this one is the digestive system. And here is also the reproductive system, but it is not given here clearly. So you have to memorize these two topics. Allah Hafiz.